Hello students, the next topic in carbonyl compounds is tautomerism. Okay, let us learn the tautomerism shown by carbonyl compounds. So before going into tautomerism, what are tautomers? Tautomers, look here, tautomers are the two isomeric forms of a compound which exist in equilibrium with each other. Once again, tautomers are the two isomeric forms of a compound which exist in equilibrium with each other. Okay. So look here, below I have written keto form. So it has a C double bond O group and it converts into enol form. What is meant by enol form? En means double bond, OL means OH group, that is alcoholic group. Okay, so keto form can be converted into enol form, a simple rearrangement. This pi bond shifts in between carbon and the hydrogen from this carbon will be shifted to OH. Okay, so that's nothing but tautomerism, and this can also be called as keto-enol tautomerism. Okay, so keto-enol tautomerism is shown by the carbonyl compounds in which a carbonyl group is directly linked to a carbon having hydrogen atoms. Okay, so underline this point, students. Keto-enol tautomerism is exhibited by the carbonyl compounds in which a carbonyl group is directly attached to a carbon atom having hydrogen atoms. Okay, so only such compounds can exhibit keto-enol tautomerism. Look at the example given here. CH3 C double bond OH. The carbonyl group is directly attached to a carbon atom having hydrogen atoms. Such compounds only can exhibit keto-enol tautomerism. Okay, so here it is converted into enol form. Double bond shifted between carbon and hydrogen from here is shifted to oxygen, that is CH2 double bond CHOH. One more example also I have given, students. CH3 C double bond O CH2 CH3. This is keto form. It is rearranged to form enolic form. CH2 C OH CH CH3. This is called as enolic form. Okay. Now, conversion of keto form into enolic form can be catalyzed by an acid or a base. What's the meaning of it? The keto form can be converted into enolic form in the presence of an acid or a base. Okay. So now I will show you how a keto form is converted into enolic form in the presence of an acid and base as well. Okay. Now look here. This is the keto form. Keto form in the presence of an acid. See, you all know oxygen has two lone pairs of electrons. So using one of the lone pairs, it takes up H plus. Okay. So what happens? C H C double bond O. Now H plus comes to oxygen. So there is only one lone pair and hence it acquires a positive charge. Okay. How this positive charge is satisfied? So these pi electrons are attracted by oxygen. Okay. And this bond is shifted in between carbon and hydrogen comes out as H plus. So here I am writing minus H plus. Okay. So what is forming? C double bond C OH. Okay. So this is called as enolic form. Fine. So keto form in the presence of an acid, so undergoes this rearrangement and forms or finally converts into enolic form. This can be catalyzed in the presence of a base also. Taking the same keto form, write down here C double bond O. Now taking a base, that is OH minus, which is called as hydroxide ion. Okay. Now this OH minus, what it does, it takes up this H as H plus. So H plus OH minus comes out as water, and these electrons moves towards carbon. Okay. So thereby C here minus C double bond O. Okay. Next, this minus shifts towards or shifts in between carbon and carbon, and the pi electrons moves towards oxygen. Next, C double bond C O minus, here one more bond. Okay. Now it takes up a proton H plus. So this H plus goes to O minus, resulting in the formation of C double bond C OH H. This is called as enolic form. Okay. So keto-enol tautomerism can be catalyzed or can take place in the presence of an acid as well as in the presence of a base. Okay, we have seen that keto-enol tautomerism is shown by the compounds in which carbonyl group is attached directly to a carbon which possess hydrogen atoms. Okay, so this is about keto-enol tautomerism in carbonyl compounds. Thank you.